Hi, I'm Sheila with inecta. I want to talk a little bit about the inecta Food ERP system and how to maneuver through that system in order to get the most out of it for what you do in your company. As a part of that, we want to talk about personalization. Personalization can be done at the role level, which means you can have a group of people that all have the same role, and that homepage then looks similar or the same between all those individuals. For example, you may have your entire accounting department that needs to see all the same things, and so you have a role center that you have set up so the homepage looks the same for all your accountants. This helps if they're trying to help each other get through processes because they're seeing the same thing. Same with your purchasers. You may have your purchasers only want to see things related to purchasing. As a result of that, as they're trying to talk through and help each other, they can see the same pages, so it makes sense to them. So maybe your accounting department all has the same role center, or maybe your purchasing department all has the same role center, or your customer service department, so that their home pages all look the same with the same menu items, the same tiles, the same reporting, and everybody is seeing the same thing that is in that related department. You can also take that personalization down to the individual level. You can set it so that your columns are set the way you want to see them, your menu items, your tiles, your reporting. Everything that you need is right there at your fingertips on the home page, so that it makes your job more efficient, so you don't have to go searching for the things that you need to use the most. If you're creating a sales order, you're going to want the columns on the lines to be set up in the order that you utilize them. You do not want to take time on every sales order to scroll over and search for what you need to key in. It's much more efficient to personalize your page and put the columns where you want and hide the columns that you're never going to use, whether that's in the headers or in the lines. Same with if you're looking at an item ledger entry. Move the columns around so that you are seeing the things that are most important to you when you're looking at your item entries. For example, a salesperson may want to filter the customer list on only their customers. A collections person may want to filter the customer list on balances owed or balances due. Each of them can have those individual filters. They can save those filters, and each of them only see the filters that they've saved. However, you can share those filters as well. Maneuvering through the ERP system can save time, energy, efforts, which in turn save costs. Thank you.